Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday Morning Live. The theme of this week's assembly is what are you doing with your spare time while we're staying at home and staying safe and being kind? So I thought I'd tell you about a few things that I do. I read my book. I am making crocheted squares, so eventually it will become a huge blanket. And I'm also spending more time learning how to cook and cook a little bit better. I have a neighbor that I cook for sometimes, and it's just something that I like to do to pass the time when I'm not working. Sort of like when you're not at school. What do? Do you get outside, ride your bike, kick a ball, or learn a new skill? It's something for you to think about. Anyway, now it's time for O Canada and the school song.
We're thankful for this earth to love, but since our hearts are small, it's up to us to work and prove beloved overall. Each to their choice, and I rejoice, for truth has shone on me. In a fairground, in a fair school, on my north road by the sea.
Now I hope you'll join me in saying it's time for Friday Morning Online.
Good morning. Well, firstly, I'd like to thank Wyatt Wilson for his beautiful rendition of O Canada and the school song sung by Alison Stark. Well, you're probably wondering why I'm up here like this. Mrs. Bigelow was talking about what we're doing to take care of ourselves during the COVID crisis. Anyways, I've taken to yoga, so I'm just here practicing my yoga. So we're going to now explore some different things with So You Can Dance and So You Can Sing. So I'm going to turn it over to some really talented young kids.
Oh, this is a declaration, of a new generation. It's now or never, we're in this together. We'll fight through the highs and the lows. No, we won't break, we're more than flesh and bone.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I've only got one match, but I can make an explosion of all those things I did insane, wrecking balls inside my brain. I can scream them down tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power is turned on. I'll tell you right now. I'll be strong. I'll be strong. It's my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. A lot of fight left in me, 'cause I still got a lot of fight left in me.
All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, never.
Jekka, Kate and Mia for those beautiful songs. We are now going to start the next challenge. It's called the Family Challenge, where families compete for points for their house, and they're going to send in points to the school. This is a school-wide challenge, so let's get on board. And here is Mr. Brooks and his family vacuuming the house. And for our last event of the day, we have another amusing song to hopefully keep you smiling during this challenging time. Bye for now.
Hello, it's me. I'm in Victoria dreaming about going out to eat just a burger with cheese and a strawberry shake with onion rings from our local eatery. Hello, can you hear me? Wondering after all these days in isolation exactly when we'll ever meet to catch up and be free. Is there something else to watch beside the news and Finding Dory? There's social distance between us, and I'm going crazy. Hello from inside. It's just me and myself and I, and the stay-home order is breaking my heart, but it's clearly what we should have done from the start. Hello from COVID-19 life. I've FaceTime, Snapchatted 1,000 times, and I'm sitting right here instead of going out for a run, day in and out watching Netflix. Is just no more fun anymore. Hello, how are you? Do your fingers hurt from scrolling from Google Classroom on your iPad? I hope that you're well. Did your parents ever make it out of town before they closed the Costco? It's no secret that I haven't showered for 5 days. Hello to pandemic life. They're saying we're stuck here until July. Oh, please help me now. I'm tired of this place. I'm so fed up and sick of my own miserable face. Hello from self-quarantine. I'm begging Amazon to please, after sending more soap, can you please figure out how to send a box of my friends to my house? I'm so bored. 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 Hello from the inside. It's just me and myself and I. Not seeing
Thanks for joining us at Friday Morning Live. I hope more of you will send in your performances, whether it's singing or dancing or another talent you might have to share. It's always great to see our students perform at an assembly. So thank you and have a great weekend. Bye.